The meme coin market is currently on a frenzy with Cobra Tate pumping a lot of the meme coins. What does it mean for Pepe, arguably the #1 meme coin in this current rally? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on Pepe Coin as some exciting things are going on, some exciting news which is causing this token to pump. Overall, crypto market looking all right today. Yes, we're down 1% on the day, but Bitcoin holding its position at $69,000, which is great. We're seeing somewhere between $69,000 and $70,000 has been a solid threshold. Ethereum kind of nosedived a little bit, down about 4%. Overall fear and greed index is at a 61, not too shabby. We can also see just in news from Whale Watcher, Donald Trump calls himself the crypto president at San Francisco tech fundraiser, which is great for the overall crypto market. Love to see the support there. We see in terms of trending tokens, guys, Pepe token is currently trending at 7, and we can see it's up 40% on the month. It's down 18% on the week and down 6%-ish, 5% on the 24 hours. Might be an optimal time to load up on some Pepe. Talking about loading up, guys, if you want to load up on a gem that's super early, let's talk about Play Doge for a second. This price is absolutely insane, and in 24 hours, or I guess about 35 hours, they're going to have a price hike. So if you want to buy it at the absolute lowest price, now's your time to buy. Link in description below. What is Play Doge? Play Doge is the best play to earn Doge companion game. Play Doge is a mobile-based play to earn game that transforms the iconic Doge meme into a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet, embracing the 90s style nostalgia. Buy Play Doge tokens in pre-sale to enjoy the classic 2D adventures and earn more crypto. That's absolutely solid. Like I said, they raised $3.2 million in a matter of a couple of weeks, and they're growing rapidly fast on social media as well. So you're not going to want to miss out on this puppy. You can buy with ETH, USDT, and BNB. Also card payment as well. So again, lots of places to buy. It's been featured on a ton of different articles as people are really bullish on this new utility themed token. Not only does it have a utility in terms of play to earn, they have a solid roadmap as well as a solid tokenomics and staking. So yes, you could stake your Play Doge to earn up to 933% AP. It's absolutely insane. Make sure you load up. Link in the description below. Even their X, over 4,000 followers in about a week. Absolutely insane. Check it out. Link in description below. But let's go back to Pepe, as Pepe is going crazy, and we have this article that was loaded up earlier. Pepe price as $1.3 billion floods in. Are whales buying the dip? Looks like whales are starting to load up. Despite the decline, the coin has attracted considerable amount of attention in the crypto space, particularly in 2023 when the space when it outpaced many other altcoins in volume. Because remember, during the bear market, Pepe was performing. This strong performance propelled Pepe to top 10 cryptocurrency in the weekly and monthly trading volume, and the current price is here with 24-hour prices here, with a market cap at ranking at number 22, which is absolutely insane. And the whole thing is, looks like the whales are starting to buy in Pepe. We can even see some Pepe price predictions here with some charts drawn out. We're seeing a little bit of a reversal, but we're anticipating this to pop off in the upward direction, and that's what's causing a lot of rallying. That's what's causing whales to get some attention into loading up on Pepe. Even the news is covered with Pepe news. Can Pepe coin hit all-time high this weekend? Again, maybe not this weekend, but it is loading up to do some massive things, and exciting things are to be seen. In terms of the technical analysis, guys, everything's a neutral. Also, these are neutrals, moving averages are neutrals, and summaries are neutrals, because even though it took a little bit of a nosedive, it just pumped like crazy, right? When we open the 1 month chart, we see some nice rallying. We open the all, and we're just in these all-time zones. This was anticipated to happen, guys, as it pumped up like crazy. People are going to take profits, but imagine somewhere in this zone over here, we're going to see a strong reversal. We're kind of seeing like a reverse basing pattern, so hopefully we do see this pop off in the upward direction, as again, people are still very, very bullish on Pepe and has a very strong community. Talking about community, we have some news from their Twitter page. We see breaking news: meme coin Pepe flips Matic in terms of market cap, which is great. We see Robinhood, if you loved Pepe, learn. So we're launching Pepe airdrop, so sign up and you could potentially get a part of their airdrop. And talking about another airdrop, Binance has launched a new promotion with Pepe. Explore thousands of merchants and claim up to $100 million in Pepe when you send coins via Binance Pay. A nice way to promote Binance Pay, but also promote Pepe at the same time. So many exciting things are going on in the crypto world, guys. And with Pepe almost about to break 1 million followers, we're anticipating this coin's going to absolutely pop off and moon this bull run. Again, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But let me know how you guys feel about Pepe. Do you think we're going to see Pepe all-time highs in June? I think we're going to break past it again. I'd say we're setting up for the next 3, maybe 5 days to see a nice reversal in the upward direction as the price is starting to correct itself. Again, none of this financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.